This is how you cash out from Nice Surveys. You go to the top left corner, you click there, you then get the cash out option. Then you're going to get PayPal, Venmo, and so much force. Click PayPal for those using PayPal. Click the amount you want to cash out on. Once you click, you're going to get the last name and the first name of your account and the email of your related account. Click cash out, and then it will be successful, and then your payment will be into pending. Then after a few minutes, check your account. You'll be told to verify your account with the number. I used text verified account to verify my number. But once the account was verified, after a few minutes, I checked the account. I went to the payment section. Now payment was no longer in pending. And when I checked my email, this was my payment proof. Now, how do you make money on Nice Surveys? So once you create an account on Nice Surveys and you log into your account, this is the first dashboard you get. For example, like this one I'm showing here, they're going to display all the available surveys depending with your profile. And one of the first few surveys will be about providing your profile details. Make sure you provide the same profile details while answering surveys so that to avoid being disqualified for more surveys and also to avoid being banned once your responses are rejected. So that's very, very important, and also provide honest answers while answering your surveys. So Nice Surveys is very legit and they pay instantly, as I have shown you earlier at the beginning of this video. Now, they have a very easy dashboard. You can see they have only very few buttons here. They have the surveys section, cash out section, settings. This way you're going to find your email, your first name and last name. Then these are log out option, then the help center. So if you want now to cash out from Nice Surveys, as I showed you earlier, just click cash out here and request for payment. Choose the payment option you need here. They have PayPal, Venmo, and ACH. So just select the form of payment you need and you'll be paid instantly. But the things you should do in order to get paid instantly: make sure the first name and the last name on your Nice Surveys account is the same name on your email. The details should match. That way you get your payment on time. Another thing, once you create a Nice Surveys account and you request a payment here, your payment will enter into pending. And one of the things they're going to request you is to do number verification. So always make sure you have a number depending with your country. And once you verify your number, you're going to wait for few minutes for them to verify your details, and your payment will be sent using a tremendous link. Now, how else can you make money on Nice Surveys? You can make surveys using referral. You can refer people to your account using your link, and whatever they earn, you get a small bonus for their efforts. Now, I'm going to post the link for registration under the video description. So Nice Surveys is a very easy site to work on. It doesn't have a lot of things to talk about, just the things that I told you to follow so that can be able to get your instant payment, and they pay using tremendous link. So guys, remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and share my content with your friends, and also always comment under the comment section. I always reply every single comment. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.